Hello everyone. So today's video is going to be a special one because it's going to be dedicated to classics. In a certain way, you could say illustrated classics, right? So classics is something which I've always enjoyed a lot because it used to tell stories which are imprinted in the history of our complete heritage, right? But the best way I found to enjoy those classics is when it comes in an illustrated format. Now what I've done is I've recently came across some of this classic adventures, illustrated classics, which has been reprinted by Peko, right? So Peko used to publish this way long back, and it used to be around 20 rupees a piece at that time. Now when they've again started, this is the number one of this Peko books. They've started reprinting recently, and it's costing around 40 bucks, right? So this is Robinson Crusoe, and there is Christmas Carol, again another Peko classics. I love the cover, and obviously one of my favorites has been Bram Stoker's Dracula, and we have Macbeth. So I haven't got all of the new ones that's been published by Peko. I just got few of them, so I just wanted to show you a glimpse of those and how does the inner pages look. These are all printed in black and white, and the story flow is something which I simply used to admire and love from old times. So that way even the artwork and the story both are classics in itself. So that way I'm very happy that they've started reprinting these things, and we get a chance to again enjoy them just like old times. Now going back, I also dug into my collection and I found some of the classic illustrated that used to be published I think around 90s. This used to come around 97 by Acclaim Books. It used to cost around $5 each, so much more costly than the Peko ones. But the reason why they were so costly is also because they were printed in color, and the artwork was also something which was truly a standout. And obviously we have the classic stories which is well summarized within these pages, so that way this became something of a collector's item, and used to come with some brilliant cover arts, as you guys can see. So this is Silas Marner from George Eliot. This one is Uncle Tom's Cabin by Harriet Beecher Stowe. This is issue number 60. The last one was issue number 50. Yep, I just have few of them here right now, but I have more of this collected in my home. So this is issue number 54, and this was Don Quixote by Miguel de Cervantes, another brilliant story. And yeah, I think this is one of the best formats for you guys to collect these classic stories and read them again. Treasure Island, one of the most popular and well-known classic of all times by Robert Louis Stevenson. This was number 31, yeah, from Acclaim Books. And we have Edmond Rostan's Cyrano de Bergerac. I hope I spelled it correctly, but I have no clue on what this is. Number 30. For 50 years, Classic Illustrated have provided an introduction to world's greatest works of literature. Now Acclaim Books presents these timeless tales in recolored and reprinted, featuring essays on the author. So they have additional reading material in all of these books, like a notes kind of section which talks about the history and some, see, like you could see the notes clearly called out. So let's take the example of the Treasure Island. So it used to talk about who is Robert Louis Stevenson and who are the pirates of the old times, characters, description, and some of the words they used in the olden times are also explained. So this used to come with some very interesting additional reading material, which I don't see it in the Peko classics, but like I said earlier, this is something of a very high nostalgia for me, because I used to read this when I was small, and nowadays those books are very pricey, the old ones. So it's great that these guys have decided they will reprint all these stories, because they have the rights. They have already created the artwork for all this once before, so nothing new. That way getting them back on your hands is brilliant. The one I'm missing in this section is Sherlock Holmes, and the one which is coming next one was Treasure Island. So you can also directly purchase these books from Paico, and they have provided their details as well, forthcoming titles. So there is a number as well which you can contact and order the books in bulk, right? It will get you all these books which has been printed and the ones that are coming. So yeah, if you are a lover of classics and you love them in illustrated format, I think definitely try and get your hands on these books which Paico is republishing. I plan to do so. I have only 4 right now with me, which I directly bought from the shop, one of my neighborhood shops. But at some point in time, I may try and purchase all of them together directly from the publisher himself. This one's a bit more rare and costly as well. And but this is also something I would encourage you to collect, because the artwork is colored and well illustrated, and as well as having a lot of additional material. So this is also another brilliant way to enjoy these timeless classics. So that was a quick video I wanted to make for you guys to show a snapshot of how illustrated classics is part of my collection and a very special part of my collection. And in case you guys decide to get some of this, what's the best way to do so. So hope you like this video. Please do leave your comments or queries below so that I can get to them and help you in your collection. Until next time, this is Street Smart Joker. Bye bye.